1 week.
I'm having a problem with my laptop.
Sige, sir. Okay, di nga tayo.
I'll open it and then can please tell me what will happen.
Yes, Kuya Joby. Yung daw malaking ilaw na dinala, ipakabit mo na raw ng mga aprubahan. Sige. Yun lang. Andiyan na naman siya kung bakit nag-uusap pa tayo. Sige.
Nothing's happening.
Nagpe-fail.
I'll try to turn it off and turn out the battery.
Kuya Joby, yung spray gun, walang nadala dito. Wala kang spray gun. Wala kang bago, oo. Sige. Oo. Sige. Okay, thank you so much.